Maximizing your affiliate marketing income strategies and techniques.
Hey there, aspiring affiliate marketers. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest strategies and techniques to maximize your income through affiliate marketing. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of affiliate marketing and sharing powerful strategies and techniques that will skyrocket your earnings. So, get ready to take notes because we're about to unlock the secrets of maximizing your affiliate marketing income.
Tip 1. Conduct keyword research to uncover lucrative niches.
The first step to maximizing your affiliate marketing income is to conduct thorough keyword research.
Look for lucrative niches by identifying high search volume keywords with low competition.
Tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs can help you uncover hidden gems. By targeting these niches, you can tap into untapped markets and gain a competitive advantage.
Tip 2. Optimize your website and content for search engines. To attract organic traffic and increase your chances of earning commissions, it's crucial to optimize your website and content for search engines.
Conduct on-page SEO by incorporating relevant keywords naturally into your content, optimizing meta tags, and improving site speed. Additionally, focus on creating valuable, informative, and engaging content that not only appeals to search engines but also resonates with your target audience.
Tip 3. Leverage the power of email marketing.
One of the most effective ways to boost your affiliate marketing income is through email marketing. Build an email list of engaged subscribers by offering valuable content upgrades, freebies, or exclusive promotions.
Nurture your list with personalized and targeted email campaigns that provide value and recommend relevant affiliate products.
Remember, building strong relationships with your subscribers is the key to success in email marketing. Tip 4. Harness the potential of social media. In today's digital age, social media platforms offer immense opportunities to expand your reach and maximize your affiliate marketing income. Identify the platforms where your target audience spends their time and create a strong social media presence.
Share engaging content, interact with your followers, and strategically promote your affiliate products.
Don't forget to utilize paid advertising options like Facebook ads or Instagram ads to reach a wider audience.
Tip 5. Continuously test and optimize your campaigns.
Last but not least, to truly maximize your affiliate marketing income, you need to continuously test and optimize your campaigns. Split test different variations of your landing pages, call to actions, and promotional strategies. Analyze the data, track your conversions, and identify what works best for your audience. By fine-tuning your campaigns based on data-driven insights, you can optimize your results and increase your earnings. There you have it, my fellow affiliate marketers, a comprehensive guide to maximizing your affiliate marketing income. By implementing these strategies and techniques, you'll be well on your way to boosting your earnings and achieving your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Now go out there and take action. Until next time, happy affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment.